Rupees 3 crores on various activities, which is approximately 1% of our net profit which we had the previous year. Based on the recent Government of India directives, we may scale this up to a level of 2% over the years. Last year, we have donated rupees 1 crore for setting up a Bharat Ratna Sir M. Vishwesvaraya National Training Facility for Skills for All Society project at Chikballapur. Besides, we had supplied 1,558 water purifiers to schools through all our branches and administrative offices at a cost of 1.4 crores. For use of the students of the deaf and dumb school in Tumkur, we had also supplied solar water heaters. This year, we have already supplied 10 fans each by each of our 780 branches all over the country at a cost of about 1.45 crores. So we do have a tradition of participating in community services. And as far as today's function is concerned, well, what better way to begin with than by associating ourselves with some of the noble persons and organizations who have been rendering human services to the needy and deprived sections of society in a selfless and dedicated manner, without expecting anything in return. We have today amongst us representatives of 3 such institutions whose record of selfless service to society cannot be measured in economic terms. We feel that such institutions are much closer to divinity, and by associating ourselves with them and discharging our social responsibility as a corporate citizen through them, our organization can also benefit from divine blessings. In this connection, I would like to first mention the role being played by the Spastic Society of Karnataka for the last 30 years for the welfare of the differently able children. Any association with such children is a great humbling and enabling experience. The Spastic Society, which actively associates itself with these less fortunate children, converted such thought process into an active organization dedicated to the welfare of children afflicted with cerebral palsy, neuromuscular disorders, and other developmental disorders. Today, it provides rehabilitation services to more than 2,500 children with various disabilities in its main center in Bangalore. Today, we feel proud and yet humbled to be associated with SSK in a small way by donating wheelchairs and rollators to them, so that we are able to bring a little smile on the faces of these innocent children. This exercise will also be replicated by us at other centers in Karnataka.